These pinecone brownies are so cute and perfect for the holidays. Let's make them. Part of why I love this recipe is that it's a semi-homemade recipe, so you can use a boxed brownie mix or your favorite homemade brownies. Either one is fine. Shape your freshly baked brownies into kind of an egg shape. If your brownies are warm, you shouldn't need anything else like frosting or anything to help them get into a shape. And then we're taking these chocolate cereal pieces and we're just putting them into the sides of the brownies. You'll want to go all the way around, all the way up to the top to give it that signature pine cone look. It can take a while, but that's what makes this the perfect wintertime baking project with the kids. Once you have all your pine cones ready to go, they look so great. You can leave them as is, or I like to dust them with a little powdered sugar, give them that look of falling snow. But either way, you really can't go wrong with these. They're so simple to make, they're fun to make with the family, and they're just perfect for the holidays. I just know you guys are gonna love these. If you give these brownie pine cones a try, let me know what you think. You can find the full recipe on my blog, ShanaeToday.com, and make sure you're following me for more recipes. Enjoy!